Hi everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name is Sunita. I am from UP. I hope you are doing well and I am doing well too. Friend, this video is not going to be any specific topic. This video is random. I don't want to talk any particular topic or any particular quotes or thoughts. In this video I am going to express whatever in my mind and whatever is going on my mind. I want to express my thought. You know i have heard that many person says I don't have time to learn English, to practice English, but it is wrong. You have enough time to practice and to learn this beautiful language. But how and why? The questions raised, how and why. You know, when we are doing anything, for example, when when we are cooking the food, we can say I am cooking the food, and you can look around. You can find many things, but you have to think in English. For example, if you are in the kitchen right now and you can see the utensils, vegetables, knives, and some ingredients, some vegetables, any others, like a household. When you are doing household chores, you can look around, okay? And first of all, you have to notice. You have to notice. You have to notice. This is the flour. Okay, this is stove. This is gas. This is gas cylinder, and this is burner. I am talking about the things, because when we see, when we see, we just translate everything in English. When we see anything, first of all, we think in Hindi, and after that, we translate everything in English. That's why it takes some time. And I think, in my opinion, you should stop translating. But in the beginning, everyone translate, because we are Indians, and we don't know English since our childhood. We learn English by using grammar rules. If I talk about myself, I learned English through grammar rule. First of all, I learned grammar, like sen- like tense, morals, prepositions, and conjunctions. Everything. I have I have knowledge at grammar, but when we talk about English, my mind becomes blank. My mind goes blank due to lack of practice. That's why I try to speak near about 10 minutes in a day. When we speak 10 minutes in a day, it helps me to become fluent, to become confident. And the best method is, try to record your video. This is the best method, and I follow this method. I follow this method in my starting. In the beginning, I was I was shy. I was unable to speak any single sentence. I know everything. I know grammar rules, but I was unable to speak. My mouth didn't open. But at this time, I can speak English. I always says I am not perfect in this language, but I try to speak every single day. And today it is Sunday today, and I am recording this video right now. Before this, I did my all household chores, and then I just took a bath, and I freshened up. I wore clothes, then I came on my rooftop, then I am recording this video. It means I am practicing English. I can't give you any suggestion because my level is like small, and I can say my level is like A. Yes, you know, when I speak English, it will take time. It will take time, and it take time because sometimes I thought, what what I speak English, what I speak English due to lack of practice. If I practice regular, I can speak without hesitation, without any fear in front of anyone. But I don't practice every day. Sometimes I practice. I know this is blunder, and I make blunder. I know very well. But but how we can express our thought in English? The second question is, okay, how can we express our thoughts, our emotions in English? Then I always say I try to speak English, and within this process, I made a lot of mistakes. I make a lot of mistake. Present time I make a lot of mistake, and in this video I made mistakes. But everyone knows that when we learn anything, we will make mistake. If I learn anything, I will make mistake. It's common. When we make mistake, I realize I am learning something new. When we learn something new, it's natural. You have to make a mistake. For example, you can relate in your life. Okay, when you go when you go to first time in the kitchen. Okay, first time, like first time cooking. Okay, then you don't know how to cook food. You don't know, right? You don't know how much sugar you have to add in this vegetables, in this veggie. You don't know, right? And gradually you gradually like you went one day, you went second day, you went third day. Gradually you will learn you will learn the process of cooking. And I I I remember one thing when first time. So when I made chapati, it looked like as a map, any map. I have no any idea, but that chapati was not round because I didn't know how to make chapati. Okay, sometimes the chapati was good, and sometimes the chapati was bad. It means like I can't say it in in English, but I am trying to express everything. Okay, so it's my journey, and here I am expressing my thoughts. I know this video is not any valuable. This video is not any value. Okay, but in my opinion, this is my video, and I am speaking here. I am trying to become fluent. I am trying to become fluent. And friends, I am enjoying this journey. Are you enjoying your English learning journey? And you don't want perfections. Everyone, I can't say everyone. I can say many people wait perfection. If I make a perfect, I will make a video, then I will speak English. That is the big mistake. That is blunder. You don't wait good time. You don't wait perfection. You have to speak. Open your mouth and speak what whatever in your mind. At the right now, you can see the weather. The weather is very pleasant. The wind is blowing, and I can feel it feels relaxing and amazing. And you can see the sunshine. The sun has appeared, and everywhere the sunlight, and it is the month of March, and I am sitting on my rooftop, and I am recording this video. I am practicing English. Okay, I didn't know what I spoke in this video. I have no any idea about it, but I know only one thing. I am practicing English. If I practice English, I will speak. If I do anything, I will success. Like if I want to become successful in my life, if I want to speak fluent English, first of all, I will have to practice English every single day. Right? Okay, so thank you so much for watching this video. Thank you so much for listening my thoughts, my emotions, my expressions. Thank you very much. Friend, if you are new here and watching my video for the very first time, please subscribe to my channel and please support me. Thank you so much. Bye bye. See you in the next video.